Stage dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way.
This is gonna be a very just quick unboxing of this Fuji. I paid about $1,500 for this, and this is what comes in the box. You got basically, I already kind of unboxed it. I forgot to record the starting and everything like that, but you get a mount here. This is like the best value for money that I found, because the rest were around the same price, about $1,400, and didn't include all this. This is the vlogger kit on Adorama. Items in here, I'm missing one because it's on back order. It wasn't available. This is the first thing here. It paid $1,500. This is a bang for buck. This is pretty good for like how much I paid. I'm thinking that I got a really good deal because the rest on the internet were about almost the same price and didn't include any of this stuff. So I'm gonna link that in the description if you want to pick this up. But yeah, first item, you got the video micro. This is a pretty popular mic that a lot of people use. And yeah, I think this one goes for around $50 or 30 to 50 bucks. And yeah, included. We also got it's this standard I don't really tripod mount, and yeah, that's basically it. Next item. Boom, we got a LED light. Like, that's some serious value for money right here. Like, I'm telling you. Like, if you look at the other competition that are putting this out, the Fuji camera, they have no bundles. They have like nothing. But, come on, this is looking crazy right now. I upgraded from the Fuji, what is it called? The Fuji X-S10 because I just wanted the in-body stabilization that this one came with, so I decided to pay a little bit of money to upgrade. I sold my other camera for about $600, and yeah, and I just put it towards this camera and put another $1,000 on this one because either way I was gonna have to. I wanted to buy the 18 to 55 millimeter Fuji lens, and I just decided just to buy a whole new camera because it just makes more sense that way. So you also get a cleaning kit, so it comes with like a brush, this is standard basic stuff, super clean. But bro, value for money right here, honestly. You get a screen protector, LCD screen protector. I gotta put on soon. You get a, the peak design. Oof, super sleek. I actually have the gray one right now, which I'm gonna sell because why would I need to? But yeah, boom. Yeah, all black and it looks nice. I like the upgrade. Last but not least, you got a Lens Essentials filter kit. I've never used any filter kits when taking photos or videos, so this is gonna be interesting. It's a little cute, synthetic leather box. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks very nice. Oh, almost broke it. That's really cool. Alright, well, we'll have to try these out. Don't really see too much of a difference, but I wonder if you use one of these and then use a Fuji preset, how it would look. That would be interesting. You can see this one's kind of dark. Let me just cover this lens here. You see that? See the difference there? Yeah. Time for the glorious S10. Okay, this is tried my best to put a top down, you know, but it's not really the most ideal setup that I have here. Yeah, let's get into this. Let's get into this really quickly. Free photo editing software. Amazing. Wow, that's a fat booklet. Holy moly, that's a fat booklet. $18.55. Ooh. I like how they say it's like a kit lens, but everyone's just like loves this. Damn it, I don't know. I have a cheap old prime lens with a 2.8, but I just returned my 35 by 1.7, and I think I did a bad idea, but I just needed a wider field of view, but the focal length kind of took a beating for that. Sucks, but let's try to find. But yeah, these are the hood lens, plastic, and the infamous 18 to 55. Oh boy, oh boy. Now that looks pretty. I'm just kidding. It's a very pretty lens. I like it. I like it a lot. It's going off the side. I'm pretty sure there should be nothing else in the box yet. Yeah, it's empty. I really wish they would shrink the box to reduce their carbon footprint, but you know, whatever makes the customer happy. I don't know how big this box is too big for no reason. Yes, motorcycle noise. Gotta have it. Florida man. Back to the box. Go ahead and take this. There goes the camera. There's the camera. Let's get this off this side really quick. Just take that. Oh, that's the box. Go ahead and probably won't be using this, but this was good for the first camera. It wasn't too bad. And, you got the Type-C cable, and you got the, you got the headphone jack to Type-C, and you got the battery. I already have like 3 extra batteries, but yeah, batteries are super cheap for like the off-brand ones. Woo! Sorry if this is crooked and all, I know. It's fine, man. Almost dropped it. Damn, that thing's small. I was just feeling it with my teeth. I don't know. That gives me more of a feel to see if it's plastic or if it's metal. This is plastic. The flash is plastic, and the rest is metal. This is metal here. I think the bottom is metal as well. I'm guessing this would be plastic as well. Yeah, all black, not bad. My last camera was had a golden. Wow, the monitor really shrunk. Wow, the XT200, the monitor was huge. I mean, the LCD screen, absolutely huge on the XT200 compared to this, bro. Crazy huge. And you got the on and off button. On button, it's on, boy, it's on. And that is. Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna turn this off and we'll do it later. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your, damn, my hands are ashy, night or day. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.